What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? So you guys, how are you doing? For me, editorial is looking all beautiful. I smell good. My day is wonderful. I woke up at the right side of my bed. I woke up, seeing my husband, seeing my children, like, taking care of my kids for them to go to school, feeding my newborn son, and now I freshen up, do makeup, like apply makeup on my face, looking up pretty, looking up sweet. I need to go fix my nails. Like, I've actually done my lashes. This time I made sure that I told the lady, see, this is what I want the lashes to full but not too long, and it looks to me it looks better than the other one. No, because of the black eyeshadow that I use, you might not really see like the lashes itself. Anyway, guys, so today I want to do unboxing. So I bought some stuff for my beautiful self, and I'm like, coin, I have to show you guys, plus creating content. All right, you guys, so I got some beautiful luxury. When I mean luxury, I mean luxury. If see, don't go and break your head for my matter. Because my matter, they sweet me for belly. Anyway, so you guys, I bought 2 bags this time. I bought 2 bags. I need, as a lady, I need, since I'm actually always going out to my offices, I go out for meetings, and I'm trying to get an that'll be later. It's something that I don't want to talk about, but I want you guys to see it when it's materialized. Okay, so I got 2 bags for myself. So this is one of them. My children don't tear this place because they want to see. So this is one of them, and this is another one, right? They're gonna even remove all the carton, scatter everything, and I'm like, okay, no, I still need to do a vlog with it. So this is the bag. Look at that. So this is the first one. So I needed a bigger bag, like a bigger black bag. So I'm like, okay. So I actually went to there's this place at Usetu that my baby's crying, that I checked. You guys, those people are very expensive, but Mama B does not mind. This is the time for me to take care of my beautiful self. So I got this beautiful bag. The leather is amazing, it's so pretty, and of course it stands just the way you kept it. So at least it can actually contain, and plus when I want to, the reason why I bought a bigger black bag is so that, let's say I'm going for a wedding, let's say I'm going for an activity, and plus I'm a mom of 3 children, and at least I need to carry my stuff inside, like plenty things, some of those things, like, so I'm like, yips, let me get another black bag. I'm still gonna get another black bag. Black goals, but I don't need, you cannot catch me using one bag for so freaking long. I'm gonna be changing them so it does not actually go old and look old, and then you're gonna get too used to see me with that bag. Do you understand? Anytime you see me with a different look. Okay, so that's the second one. Is this. This is actually the inner purse. The second one is this. The bag is very beautiful, and for this one, it looks like the other one, but of course this one has zip. This one has zip. Well, this one do not have zip. It's just opening. Like, look at the inside of the bag. It's so clean. It's so beautiful. It has little purse also. And this one, the leather is, see, when I want to buy a bag, I just check for the leather. So look at the inside. The inside is pure black. It's so beautiful and it's so nice, so fine. So I can literally just shocking in something here, and it has another purse here, and it's so nice. Which one am I gonna be carrying now? I don't know. I have other bags, so I do not necessarily need to carry this too. Anyone I like, I pick. I'm still gonna be buying some small bag, but I just decided to buy these bigger ones because sometimes I need a bigger bag to go out with. Okay, so I got some small slippers for myself. First off, I got these slippers. I wanted to buy the black one, but my husband was insisting that this one fits my leg more. It has this glitter. Look at the design. Yeah, that's how the design is. Really looking beautiful. And it's size 41. This is how much it is. This is, why is the thing looking for my face? Can you see that? How much do you see there? $59, approximately $60 for this. I actually ordered these ones, but these ones I bought them at Usetu in a shop, beautiful shop at Usetu. In fact, I wanted to vlog. My battery failed me. Like, they said I should not use my camera, but I needed the bag. I just had to buy it anyways because of course my phone battery failed me. So I got some simple slippers because I need some slippers to you know be using in the office. So I decided to buy the slippers that has some mixture of colors that can literally go with anything I wear. So I'm literally going to be dropping some of the slippers in my office, so that sometimes I wear shoe a whole lot. I wear high heels. You cannot catch me with slippers to my office. Am I mad? No, I'm not mad. I'm good. But when I get to my office, sometimes I want to go up, I want to walk around, I want to put on my slippers. So that's why I said let me go and get some few slippers for myself. I decided to order this because I saw it and then it was beautiful, looking up beautiful. Like, now I'm wearing size 40, size 41. Crazy, right? But before I was wearing size 38. So I decided to buy this white. It fits my legs so well. It looks very beautiful. Yeah. So I got another shoe. Like, I ordered about 5 shoes, right? So this is the third one. It has this, oh, can you see that? It's silver, but it has a lot of glitters. Like, the glitters are not on the body, are not on the surface. The surface is actually very smooth. I'm sure it's actually the leather they used in making the shoe. Like, can you see how pretty that shoe is, you guys? It looks so beautiful on my leg. It looks so beautiful on my leg. Like, what? It's so nice. And it has this heel. The heel is looking so pretty. All right, so, and it's size 41. So I got another, oh my god, this one's my children done. I got another It's called Highway. Like, I got this white slipper, like, look at that, this white slippers. So I'm like, I needed to get some white shoes, silver and all of that, because I really do not have, right? See, this Dior they put, is it Dior or Dior they put here? This is not from Dior. This is actually, I think it's just to, but it's not like all of those. It's actually very pretty with high quality, but it's not from Dior, Abina, or whatever. It's not from them, but it's so pretty. Like, the leather is so soft. I ordered it from Amazon. What is wrong with English? I ordered them online. Okay, this is the slippers, and then there's another one. Let me show you. So this is the last one. This is actually gold color. It's so beautiful, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. So this is how it looks like, you guys. It's so beautiful. Like if you see the slippers in the night, you would fall in love with the glittering. Like, it glitters so well. And this is how the heel looks like. It's actually, it looks rounded heels and all that. It looks very fine. The inner part is gold. It's actually size 40. This is size 40, and it fits my leg a whole lot. Like, kidding me? It's so nice. So you guys, I just decided to, oh, this one is so fine. Like, it's so fine, man. When I received them, I was like, okay, this is nice. So especially this one, like, the quality, it's so freaking amazing. So it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. Yeah, so that's it. I just said, let me show you guys some of the things I bought for myself to keep myself looking all beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I know that one of those heels are going to be great for my look today. It's either I wear this white or I wear the silver. So surprisingly, this particular one, it's a size 39, but it fits my leg so well. Like, look at that. Come down. Let me show you guys. Come down. Come down. So this is it. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. So let me put on the silver one and see which one goes with this my dress for today. Okay, hold on. So that's it. So that is looking like. I think I'm gonna wear this because this one fits this my dress, right? It glitters. You know, women like shine. Things that are glittering, shining, and oh, so this is what I'm gonna wear. The silver one. That's what I'm gonna wear today. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm supposed to wear my neck chain, not this. I'll see you guys again in another video. Love you. Mwah.